tayo ngayon sa palengke. So hindi pa naman totally ito palengke. Dito ako madalas bumili. Yan, dito. Thank you, sir! Yan ang pinakamasipag natin yung MD sa
For the fakeness, if you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctively passionate. Every word I move so restricted like an adjective.
ko pa ba?
Vendetta against people who patent it, being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last.
Ayan si Mama. Hi, Ma'am. Good evening. Good evening. Gandang hapon. So, ayan mga lodi. Pag talaga tayo nakakakita ng mga ganda, tayo yung naliligo. At parang nininervous na, pero sanay na tayo mga nervous eh. Makapal ng mukha na. Ikaw lang. Ako pala. Ayun. So, ayan mga lodi. Talagang dito sa Pilipinas, makakakita ka ng magagandang babae. Tanawin pala.
Nice.
Baya, magagandang tanawin pala. Ay!